In October 2024, S-Conn officially launched its new manufacturing facility utilizing CNC technology for micron-level precision processing to ensure that all component dimensions and shapes meet design specifications, thus enhancing product consistency and quality. S-Conn's advanced RF components support higher data rates and lower latency for 5G. Our advanced automated system monitors production, ensuring the highest standards. S-Conn leads the industry with efficient, precise, and sustainable production, surpassing market standards to meet evolving demands.